Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into the remarkable journey of a man whose resilience and dedication have sculpted him into a symbol of perseverance and loyalty. I'm talking about Honorable Amos Chibaya, who just turned 46 2 days ago. Amos Chibaya isn't just any political figure. His story is one of true service and sacrifice. Imprisoned, persecuted, and even recalled, Chibaya's journey through the political landscape of Zimbabwe is nothing short of heroic. Imagine, from the confining walls of Hwawa to the Harare remand prison, Chibaya has faced challenges that would break many. Yet like steel forged in the hottest fires, he emerged not just unbroken, but polished, stronger, and more committed to his cause. What drives a man like Chibaya? It's his unshakable loyalty to the struggle for change, his dedication to the democratic agenda, and his unwavering support for President Nelson Chamisa and the Blue Movement. Despite the trials by fire, from confrontations with political adversaries like Douglas Mwanzora to Sengeso Tshabangu, his resolve has never waned. On his 46th birthday, dubbed as Shumba, which means lion in Shona, it's clear why the title fits. Like a lion, Chibaya exhibits bravery and leadership, continually inspiring those around him. So, as we celebrate his birthday, let's also acknowledge the sacrifices made by leaders like Chibaya who remain married to the people's cause. It's leaders like him who light the torch of hope for a brighter, democratic future in Zimbabwe. Here's to Amos Chibaya, a beacon of resilience and loyalty. Happy 46th birthday, Shumba. May your path continue to inspire and lead the way for many. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, every struggle is part of a larger story. Keep seeking the truth.